I'm like too tired. I've been working.
I've been doing pull ups, chin ups, push ups, and dips. So attempting this afterwards is overkill. Normally, when I do bench press, I would start with them, meaning it would be the first set of exercises that I do. However, today wasn't scheduled for that. I just decided to take advantage of the empty gym and record a video.
Attempt number 2.
When I rewatched the video, I realized that the weight looked imbalanced on one side, but I think that's because the camera was tilted, and I think that's still the case now, but let's see.
That was my second attempt, no spotter.
All in all, what I wanted to say here is that having someone at the gym to help you, to assist you, allows you to take risks and go beyond your limit and do things that you wouldn't normally be able to do if you were there alone. However, the fact that I don't have that, I have to always be careful with the weight I choose and with what I do so that if the worst is to happen, I can help myself. So I always need to have reserves of energy that can keep me safe, essentially saving my life.
Don't forsake me. I need you.
By the way, today is not bench press day, so I will stop this and go back to my regular program. Oh, and don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, never forsake gym day. Ciao.